Alright, hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're talking about how to add a music bot to your Discord server. It's actually pretty easy. All you gotta do is have admin powers, or the ability to invite a bot to your server, and access to the Rythm bot website, which is rythmbot.co. RhythmBot's a pretty nice little bot. It just lets you put in some basic commands into a chat channel, and then it pops into whatever voice channel you're in and starts playing music. Pretty straightforward. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the button to invite RhythmBot to my server. Now this little window allows me to select whatever server that I have admin powers on to invite this particular bot, and then I can simply click on Authorize. This will automatically give RhythmBot an administrator power attached to their role. I don't necessarily think that RhythmBot needs this, so I'm actually just going to not. And then I'm going to authorize RhythmBot to join my server. And then I'm going to tell them I'm not a robot. Can't have those robots conspiring against us. And now I can minimize this and I can go into my server and see somewhere in this messy sidebar that RhythmBot is right here and it's available to be used to start playing music. So what I'm going to do to continue setting this up, because technically you can use it right now, is I have a music lounge channel already set up for listening to music, but I'm also going to set up a text channel that allows people to put in commands for RhythmBot so people aren't just putting in those commands and spamming every channel with that information. So we'll call this the Music Bot Control Center. So let's call that Controls, and we'll create that channel. So now you can put your different commands into this channel, and you can use the bot. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little bit easier to use this bot by simply going in here, and let's go back to Home. Let's find the controls, features and commands, and I'm actually going to grab all of these commands, which you see right here. I'm going to copy and paste them into Discord so that I can pin this to the top of the channel. So this will be a post that tells all of the different commands, which I'm going to pin. A pinned post, so anyone can go up here and see what all of the bot commands are. And now I can literally, at any channel that I want from audio, I can hear what's being played by this bot. I'm also, just for kicks, I'm going to make it so that in my server settings, roles, I've got a bot role set up already. I'm actually going to set it up so that RhythmBot is in fact a bot. So that shows up here so I can easily tell if the bot itself is online or offline. And then I'm going to say this is the only channel that it has the ability to see stuff in. So we'll add this here, type in Rythm. It can read messages here. And then all of these other channels, I'm actually going to make it so that Rythm cannot read anything. This way, I can prevent people from being able to interact with this bot in any other major channel so that they don't end up spamming the channel with the bot, because the bot takes up a lot of space and it's got a lot of embedded stuff that I just don't really want to show up in every single channel. So just for kicks, let's jump into the Squid Room, and I will show you what it sounds like. So let's just type in the link to this royalty-free music that I picked up earlier, and we will type in play in the Music Bot Control Center. Why did it make 2 channels for this? That's weird. Let's delete one of these. That's bizarre. It made 2 of them for me, so we'll just hit !play to play this music. Rythm will pop into the channel, and I will actually unmute it because I have a lot of servers where this bot is in them, and I don't always like listening to that continuously. So when I tell it to play, it'll automatically embed the source video that's going to be played, and it'll add this video to the queue of music that's being played. And then you can consistently add more and more tracks to the queue, see the queue, delete stuff from the queue, and skip stuff in the queue as you go. All of those different controls are set up here. By default, a lot of these controls will not just automatically remove stuff unless an admin does it. Will not automatically skip without a skip vote unless an admin skips something, and it won't disconnect it unless an admin disconnects it most of the time. You can also set up a DJ role and give that to people that you think should be able to control the bot, as opposed to just letting admins do it. You can just do that by going up into your server settings, just creating a role called DJ. You don't actually have to do anything special with it. You even just give it like its own little color. A little like dark burnt orange for like, bot controllers. And then you can attach this to whoever you wanted and they would have complete control over that bot. And that is more or less how you can add and control Rythm bot to your server. I hope you found this useful. It's pretty quick and simple to set up, along with my notes, additions, and caveats about how to make it a little easier so you don't spam other channels with it. And until next time, I've been Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe check some other videos out on the channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.